second scoop. 2, 3, 4. 4 scoops. Put the lid back on. Put the spout over here. You close the top. Put the coffee in like this. You gotta press this button to turn it on. Can you press the button? Can you press the button? Sure, let's see. Let's press the button. Can you press it? Yeah, you gotta punch it. Good job. You did it. You made coffee, Jocelyn. Good job. Gotta put the coffee back in. Yeah. Put the coffee back. You're all done. See, I'm all done. I did it. I made coffee for the first time. Say hi, Jocelyn. Jocelyn.
Hi, Bunny Rabbit.
Hi, Bunny.
Look at you making bubbles, you silly girl.
Can you smile?
Making bubbles.
Can you smile?
Oh.
No, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yeah. Do you hear Daddy? It's Daddy. Daddy?
Bunny Rabbit.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, little bunny rabbit.
Smile.
Little bunny rabbit.